Chelmsford. I'm a dysphagia chef working with Nestlé Health Science. I'm going to share some recipes with you today that will help you prepare meals for people with dysphagia. Looking at the carbohydrates, things like broccoli and cauliflower rice, sweet potato and other variations of potato as well. We're going to go through some main course recipes, dessert, the preparation, the ingredients we're going to use, how we're going to cook it and show you the presentation, how we can make it look really, really good and appetizing. After these videos, you will be able to cook with confidence.